I hate having to make videos all day that don't get uploaded and saved in Google. That charges me $1.99 twice a month, by the way. I don't know if it's Google One, Google Storage, Google Samsung, Google T-Mobile, Google Verizon. I just know twice a month I'm charged $1.99. So I always think in my Google whether I save it in my phone. Because I think saving it in my phone is totally different than in my Google, right? I think my phone stores so much under the capacity of the phone, and then you could, get extra storage within the company that produced the phone, and then you could get extra storage through the internet provider. So that's three ways of getting storage. So in my legal Beagle mind, my phone, I erase it off my phone, but I be always thinking there's a link to Google. But what was I thinking? Because I was thinking something about something. Because it was pissing me off about that. I can't remember now because I went off on that tangent about the story with my phone information. So I can't remember what I was saying. But, oh, look, so they was double billing, double. Okay, so when I fought them in 2007, right, for my formulary with my teeth, from 2007, when Paul Thiessen was at the Minnesota Department of Health as the commissioner, and I'm fighting them, in 2009 I won, right? And in 2009 they said, Sharon, get your gums fixed. And under medical, we proved that you can fix it under my medical with my gums and save my teeth. They didn't have to just pull my teeth, right, in 2009. So what they did was they started double scheduling me. I was going to the White Bear Smile Center where Dr. Sanchez was. And Dr. Sanchez at the White Bear Smile Center said it wasn't his problem that they were double scheduling me. So when I got approved to have my gums fixed, it was right after they crushed the back teeth, where I said that same doctor said that he needed to pull out old fillings. He said the fillings in the back of my mouth were old, and he needed to update them. And as he did that, some teeth crumbled. I think like 2 or 3 teeth crumbled. And as he was digging out the tooth, he broke one, and then he pulled another because he said it was just in the way. So then he took like 5 back teeth, from me. And then I won the order to have them fix my gums at that point. And Paul Thiessen said that as he was under the Minnesota Department of Health, he decided at that time that he wasn't going to deal with me because I filed an Office of Civil Rights complaint. And they said, well, Sharon, you won in court. What do you want? I said, well, I want them to fix my teeth. Like they broke 5 in the back. The ones in the front are now starting to wiggle out. He said, I won this. And the doctor in White Bear Lake, they scheduled me on the same day, at the same time, for 3 different things. And my argument was, how could I be in the same place at the same time as one person? And I thought that it should have been under my 612-529-2060 phone line that Keith Ellison said he bought as state attorney. I said anything that pertained to that phone line, and he could get from Washington, and they could actually hear, where these phone calls under that phone number was made declaration. Those were privy to me and mine. So with that being said, I could specifically point out while I was snapping about the Minnesota Department of Health, allowing them to double schedule me, and I can't be in 2 places at once. I just can't do it. And then they didn't even tell me I had this appointment until they told me I missed the appointment, and that's why they weren't going to schedule me again. And now they said I had to go back to court and get a new order. And that was 2009. I was like, what? They were like, well, you missed these 3 appointments, you didn't want the service. And I'm like, ain't that a bitch? So then I contacted the Office of Civil Rights, and they said, Sharon, you got this other Office of Civil Rights complaint, right? I said, about the school? They said, yeah. They said, okay, well, we're just gonna, okay, Sharon, get back to us. And then they said I needed $25 a page to figure out which Office of Civil Rights complaint went to which part of the Office of Civil Rights. Was it about my medical, dental, health care, Was it about my education? Was it about my civil? You know, what rights did I have at the Office of Civil Rights? And I'm going, well, I thought I had civil rights, right? And they're like, what? And I said, well, I thought I had a civil right to be safe and secure, right? And a human right to let y'all know they kicked my ass and took my money. And they were like, what? Bitch? I said, what? They said, you black bitch? I said, what? Oh, now you getting racial. Now you getting racial.